Today we're going to try another way to visualize fraction multiplication using some paper. So for this project, you will need 3 separate pieces of paper that you can rip out of a notebook, or you can use any random paper you have lying around, as long as you can write on it. So you've seen a diagram like this week, where it might show 1/4 of this paper is yellow, and then we colored in 2/3 of the yellow part with black. And our answer was 1/4 times 2/3 was 2/12. So we've been going over diagrams like that for the last week. We're going to see another way to make them today. So let's look at an example. Let's say I'm going to do 1/2 times 1/3. So I have my paper. Can you guys see this? I hope so. I'm going to fold it in half. So I'm going to fold it here in 2 pieces. So when I open it up, you would see 2 pieces. Now I'm going to grab a color. I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to color half of my piece blue. Okay, so I got half my paper blue. You can see when I open it up, half the paper is colored blue. Now I'm going to fold this half into thirds because I see it's times 1/3. So I'm going to go fold and fold. And now you can see that my half is divided into 1, 2, 3 pieces. Now let's open our, actually, sorry, before we do that, we have thirds, right? I need to color in 1/3. So I'm going to take another color, purple, and I'm going to color one of these thirds purple. So now you can see that 1/3 of my paper is purple. And I'll draw the line right here so you can see it really well. So 1/3 of that blue part is purple. Now I'm going to open my paper all the way up. And we can look at the lines on my paper in total. So I'm going to draw the lines a little bit darker just so you can see them through the camera. You don't have to do this on your own homework because you'll be able to see where it's folded. So this is where I folded my paper. I colored half blue, and then I colored 1/3 of that half purple. So what fraction of this whole paper is purple and blue? Well, I count 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of them is purple. That's 1/6. So 1/2 times 1/3 equals 1/6. Let's try one more example. This one's a little different. So this one is going to be 3/4. So again, I start with the paper. This time I'm going to fold it into 4 pieces because they are fourths. So I go fold once, fold twice. I now have 4 equal pieces, and I have to color 3 of them blue. So I get my marker. I go 1, 2, 3. So now 3/4 of my paper is blue. Now I have to color half of this space with a purple. So I'm going to fold this in half so I can see what half of that blue space is going to look like. And I'm going to color just the top half purple. So we go purple, purple, purple. Oh my goodness, what happened? That was weird. Purple, 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 purple. Just colored on my computer, you guys. Don't do that. Do not use Sharpies around your computer. All right, so the top half of the blue is now purple. So half of that blue part is now purple. So I started with 3/4 and then I colored half purple. So let me count, and I see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spots in total. So I know that these are 8ths. And if you look carefully at where it's folded, I'll kind of go darker so you can see it. You can see that 1, 2, 3 of those 8ths are purple. So I would call this 3/8. So that's all you have to do. It's pretty straightforward. It's very similar to what we've been doing with the area model. So you have 3 problems today. First, you fold your paper. Then you take a photo of your paper. Then you put your answer up here. Ready? Let's get started.